Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to apply shadow effect in HTML elements. These elements may be in h1 tag or h2 or whatever the tag you need, you may apply. So let's see, I'm changing this one into h1 tag and one more tag I'm creating which is on a h2. Let's see how these are the important we are going to be applying. Text element applying shadow effect. So let's see. For this I'm taking direct elements of h1 and similarly h2. So let's see, one by one we will write here. Alright, so for h1 I'm writing something like text shadow. There is a direct option, it is there. For 2px of first we have to take, and similarly like we have in ranges, no, left, right, top. These are the things we are going to be apply over here also. So the color would be like blue. Let's see by seeing this h1. Reload. Yes. So see shadow how it is applied. Which color you need to apply in the shadow? Same like a same way you may apply for like a h2 also, and with the text and all. It depends upon your color. It depends upon your color, and you have in ranges also. You may put like let's see, I'll take it little bit effect of 1px, that 1px, and 2px for this, and making block will take BLACK, black, comma 0 space 25px of more effects I'm trying to adding here, okay, of dark blue. Let's see for this, it's a one type of shadow effect. See around the circle, like around the text we are able to seeing one thing, and effect of shadow effect of this shadow, like this element of h2 tag. So how simply we are applied, so really awesome. So now similarly we'll see one thing like div elements also we may apply. Div elements and div tags, whatever it you require to apply the box shadow or text shadow, all you may try to apply by using this shadow effect. So I think it's very simple and easy lecture you to learn and work with that. So wherever you require text shadow or box shadow or more informations, you may try to apply in yourself. This is the shadow effects you are able to see in here. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.